My father took me to one side when I was just a lad. Said, son, I got bad news for you. I asked, what is it, Dad? He said to me, it's plain to see you want to be a superstar. But there's one teensy problem, now son, don't take this hard. You can't begin sing songs, you can't say kings. Your voice would sink ships as they sail upon the sea. See that in your case? Your sails need be scaling, your shafts well they're blunt. Let's face the music's on your feet. Try to stay in key, it might keep you out of jail. You should ever find the lost chords on refrain. From singing it out loud, you'll only lose it again. Now listen, son, you're not the best at starting on the beat. In fact, I very often heard you miss several beats. And son, I have to tell you that in the key of C, there is no F in sharp, there's only H-A-R-P. You can't begin singing, son, you can't say key. Your voice would sink ships as they sail upon the sea. Your scales need be scaling, your flaps will never pass. Let's face the music's on your sing like I ask my opinion, son, I'll tell you what I think, which is in my opinion, yes, instincts. But take it in good part, my boy, it's not meant to sting when I ask, can you whistle, 'cause you can't sing.